Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 13 on complex integration. In this lecture we are going to do one more problem on complex integration. This question was asked in GTU summer 2020 exam. So let's try to evaluate this complex integral. Here function is 1 over z square plus 1 and we have to evaluate this complex integral over this simple closed contour modulus of z plus I equal to 1 in counterclockwise direction. So this represents a circle with center z equal to minus I and radius 1. So first we write down our function. Let f of z, or we can write 1 over z square plus 1. Now given contour is modulus of z plus I equal to 1. So first we write down given contour is represented by absolute value of z plus I equal to 1. So this is nothing but a circle with center z equal to minus I and radius 1. So we can sketch this circle roughly. Center of the circle is minus I and radius is 1. So somewhere here, suppose this distance is 1, then this point is I and this point will be minus I and radius is 1, center is minus I. So we have a rough sketch of our simple closed contour. It is circle with center z equal to minus I and radius 1, and we have to consider in counterclockwise direction. So this is our simple closed contour. Now if we observe this function 1 over z square plus 1, then we can write z square plus 1 as product of z minus I and z plus I. If we multiply these two, we have z square minus I square. Product of these two will be z square minus I square, and because I square is minus 1, we have z square plus 1. So we can write z square plus 1 as z minus I times z plus I. So if we observe our function in this way, so again we can rewrite our function as 1 over z minus I, and here we write z plus I. So if we observe that the function in the denominator is 1 over z minus I, and this function 1 over z minus I is analytic everywhere on and inside this circle. If we consider the portion of the circle which is interior and on the boundary of the circle, then 1 over z minus I is clearly analytic at all points inside and on this simple closed contour C. So here and we can see, if we consider z equal to minus I, then z equal to minus I is interior to this simple closed contour C. So from this we can have the idea that we can apply Cauchy integral formula. If we recall Cauchy integral formula, then Cauchy integral formula says that if our function f of z is analytic everywhere inside and on a simple closed contour, and if z0 is a point interior to that simple closed contour C, then this complex integral will be equal to 2 pi I times value of this function at point z0. So we can compare our function with this. If we compare these two, then f of z is 1 over z minus I. We will consider 1 over z minus I because it is analytic at every point inside and on this simple closed contour C. And this z0 will be equal to minus I. We can write one more step. Here we can write 1 over z minus I, and z plus I can be rewritten as z minus minus I. So we can say that this function 1 over z minus I is analytic everywhere inside and on this simple closed contour C, which is a circle, and this z equal to minus I is interior to this simple closed contour C. So we can write that minus I belongs to C. That means z equal to minus I is interior to this simple closed contour C, and 1 over z minus I is analytic everywhere inside and on this simple closed contour C. So here we can apply Cauchy integral formula. So first we write that this 1 over z minus I is analytic everywhere inside and on a contour which is a simple closed contour. It is a circle with center z equal to minus I and radius 1, and this minus I lies inside this simple closed contour C. So minus I lies inside C. So therefore by Cauchy integral formula, integral of 1 over z minus I, here we write z minus minus I dz will be equal to, if we use this formula, then this integral is equal to 2 pi I times value of this function in the numerator at point z0. So here our function is 1 over z minus I. First we write 2 pi I. Now we have to write in the product the value of this function 1 over z minus I at point minus I. So we put z equal to minus I here. So here I take z equal to minus I, minus I, minus I. So I am finding value of this function 1 over z minus I at point z equal to minus I, which is minus I minus I. So now this I can simplify. Here I can write minus 1 over 2I, and I will cancel out, 2I will also cancel out, we can cancel out 2I, and finally we obtain minus pi. Now left hand side is nothing but integral of 1 over z square plus 1 dz over circle mod z plus I equal to 1. So in this way we can apply Cauchy integral formula to evaluate this type of integrals. So we just have to remember this formula, and here we have to think that whether we are able to write this function in terms of Cauchy integral formula. So if we are able to write given complex integral in this form, f of z divided by z minus z0, where this f of z is analytic everywhere inside and on a simple closed contour C, and z0 lies inside C, then by Cauchy integral formula we can directly write that value of this complex integral is nothing but 2 pi I times value of function at point z0. So in our case f of z is taken as 1 over z minus I, and z equal to minus I is the point which is interior to C. So this is all about this session. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.